Hey guys, this is Arabian Games, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own sharter. This is the sharter do-it-yourself. It's very simple. You don't have to get a lot of stuff, but first we need to go to Home Depot and buy a few things. So let's go and get those stuff. Alright guys, it's right here at Home Depot. It's in the plumbing section. It's for $2.50 right here. It's a 1/4 inch, 10 feet. So for $2.50 you could make about 4 to 3 sharters only for $2.50. Bam, that's perfect. All right, now we need electrical tape. We're about to go and get some electrical tape, or you could use any tape, but I'm gonna go and get electrical tape. I like to use that instead of any other tapes, so let's get that one. And right here we got the tape. Is for $1.49. You could use any tape if you want. I just rather use this. I like to use this kind of tape. So, and now I'm going to show you guys how to put this together. All right guys, that we're back from Home Depot. This is what I got. As you see in the video, I did a mistake. I said this will be enough for 3 to 4 sharters, but actually this is 10 feet, so you could make between 5 to 6 sharters. And electrical tape, you could get any tape you want. I just got this. I just like this kind of tape, especially on my skin, because you might be taping my arm. And of course a scissor. Everybody has a scissor. So first, this is simple and easy. You can make a lot of these. This is fun. Bam. So what we need to do is, you need to measure distance between here and here. There is many ways to do this, and I'm going to show you the simplest way. So this, I think, more than enough actually. It's probably going to be even long. It's simple. See that? I know I got a lot of muscles. You put this right here between your armpits. You have to be kind of a little bit sweating or have a deodorant in order for this to work. And you have to adjust it pretty good. You have to have it right there, just like the sharter. All right, perfect. This needs to be straightened. You hear that? So you could be walking to Walmart and so, okay, there's ways. So as you see right here, I put it right here. This is where this tape comes. Okay. In my video pranks, I'll tag them below. I did one at Target, and I actually did one in Walmart, and I used the same technique. So with these, there's a way where you could actually tape it right here to your biceps and have this one come out of your shirt right here. Especially nowadays, we're all wearing masks. I was wearing my mask at Target, and I had this in my mouth, and there's no way you could tell that I was doing it. And there's another way. When I went to Walmart, I did one of the pranks videos in Walmart. I had it here between my armpits, and I taped it right here, and I taped it right here, and I taped it right here, and I had it in my hand. I would not recommend that. It was not fun. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. One of the few ways. I don't even know why this tape is not working today. Maybe because it's cheap. Alright. We're gonna put this right there. You get the tape. Usually you need somebody to help you with this. Just like the sharter, when you buy the sharter, you gotta do the same thing. So now I got this taped. Perfect. I just have to have this right here and have this one inside my shirt, just like that. See, let me show you how it's done. You actually could tape it also right here and right here. We're gonna do all of them to get time. So right there, when nobody's watching, what you need to do, where is that? All right, I have this. Now I have to adjust the other one. All right. Then I need to put more deodorant. As you hear, especially nowadays, you're wearing a mask. You could just be walking in Walmart, but you mean you have to keep your arm tucked in. As you see that? It's easy. There's another way to do it is when you have a long sleeve. If you wanna have it basically coming out of your hand instead of this, you do the same thing. Especially if you're wearing long sleeve, this is simple. I did that in one of the pranks at Walmart. I had long sleeve on that one. I'm Arabian, we're hairy, so this is gonna hurt when I take the tape off. You can do the same thing like that. That's the one I did at Walmart. I'm a little sloppy. I know when I did the prank, my wife helped me put these on, so I didn't do it myself. So you have a long sleeve. Believe me, you buy this for about what, $2.50, and this is like $1.40, both about $4, and you can make about 5-6 starters. You don't need the cup. The cup is honestly the hardest part about the cup, especially when I went to video by myself. I have to keep the cup right holding the entire time, and my arm gets tired, so I have to let loose, my grip loose, and the cup falls, and I have to put the cup again and worry about again adjusting this. Right here, you don't have to worry about much. But this only if you have a long sleeve. I honestly recommend you just doing like what I showed you at the beginning. Have it tucked in your shirt, and especially now everybody wearing a mask, nobody will even see you. You'll have this one coming in straight through your mask. So this is the one I did. I was just holding like this. I was just walking around. As you see. So you could just walk by somebody. And remember, when you move your arm side to side, that's when you make more noise. It sounds like pretty much like a wet fart, straight up wet, nasty burrito fart. So this is it right here. I honestly recommend you guys, the best way is just have it inside your shirt like this. You could wear a short sleeve. Honestly, that's the best way. Just have it come right here through inside. And believe me, nobody will even pay attention. Just have it like that. And have this right here. You have to adjust it right. And make sure, the more you sweat, the more it's kind of wet. It comes out wet when you're sweating. And one of the best things is if you put like deodorant, that will help a lot. I know this is a little bit long. It should be a little bit shorter. I don't know why I cut it so long. So this is it for you guys. Basically, build your own sharter. I tested it in my pranks and it really did good. Check them out. I'll leave the link below for the Target one and Walmart one. And it works pretty good. I'm gonna do one more. Watch. I'll try to get it right this time. Uh-huh. That's it. And I'll see you guys in the next videos. Oh, by the way, just make sure you comment, like, and share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next videos. Flex, no.